Okay, let's try this. I don't know what this is. It looks like an insect.
This is our very first vlog about our trip in South Korea.
We want to share you useful information about how to get around in South Korea, how to get adjusted with this new city, about couchsurfing, and also some safety tips. So, here we go.
Llegamos a Corea del Sur. Ahora nos va a recibir nuestra Couchsurfer house. Estamos re contentos.
They said there are no bad neighborhoods here in South Korea. So
yeah.
we're gonna explore the whole city. The first thing we need to figure out is the transit system here in Korea. So we're gonna buy a transit card and figure out the train system. So Fran is trying to figure out how to buy the transit card.
T-Money.
T-Money, I don't know.
T-Money card.
T-Money card, you should ask. And it's just funny watching her figuring out.
They're gonna give it to me. So T-Money is the transit card for public transportation in Seoul. You can find it in the airport or in any convenience store. So cute!
But congrats, you bought it.
Yeah, this is $5 approximately. Yeah, it's so cute. I like it. I like the design.
For us, it's safer and cheaper and actually more fun to use public transportation rather than taking taxis. So that's how we like to travel when we go to a new city.
Yeah, it's like, I mean, it's slower, but we like to take it slow and explore the city that way. We find it more fun, I think.
It actually took us like 1 hour to figure out how to go from the airport to the city, but it was fun figuring it out. Yeah, we bought the T-Money and then we need to figure out the directions. And in South Korea, you cannot use Google offline. So you need to look at the directions before you lose internet. And they also use another app called Kakao Maps. So the locals use that. It's very accurate. And if you need to use offline maps, we use Maps.me. So make sure to download those 3 apps if you're going to South Korea. But you don't have to worry about internet because there is Wi-Fi and internet in the whole city of Seoul.
Amazing.
Yeah, even in the buses, in the public parks and in public transportation, you will find Wi-Fi. Even if you're just walking the street, you'll find Wi-Fi. So I actually recommend you to not buy a SIM with data package when you arrive to Seoul because you will find Wi-Fi and internet everywhere in the city. It's amazing.
It's amazing.
So we found the house of our couchsurfer, finally. I think nobody is home, friend. Nobody is here.
Another thing that we really like every time we are in a new country, in a new city, is meeting locals. For us, the experience is very different when you get to meet locals. That's why we really like Couchsurfing. I don't know if you guys ever use it, but we highly recommend it. We had amazing experiences with it. So for those who doesn't know what's Couchsurfing, Couchsurfing is a platform where you meet locals and you can stay at their place for free. And in return, the locals can meet people from different parts of the world, have new friends, and have a cultural exchange.
We know that staying at someone else's house or someone you don't know might be a little bit out of your comfort zone in the beginning, especially if you haven't tried couchsurfing. So we want to give you these 3 tips on what we do so we feel confident and safe using couchsurfing. So first is we really read the profile of our couchsurfer host. We actually understand what she's like and read the feedback and make sure we'll get along with that person and we know that person based from his or her profile. And second, we use this new app called YourSafe. It's a personal mobile security app and we believe this app can change the culture of personal safety. It gives you confidence and you feel safe getting out of your house and traveling to different countries. It has a lot of features that will be useful for your personal security, so check it out. And then number 3, trust your gut.
Yeah, if you don't feel comfortable, just leave. You don't have any obligation to stay in a place where you don't feel comfortable.
But so far in Couchsurfing, we always had amazing experiences. We met amazing people and friendly people. There was never a time we felt unsafe. So we're looking for breakfast and we went to the market.
What's the name?
이름 떡볶이.
Bueno, vamos a probar Kiron Tapoki o algo así. Vamos a ver. Es con arroz.
Spicy.
Aside from the jet lag, that was super strong.
And the language also, because it's a totally different language, but we have Google Translate for that, so that was useful.
Yeah, that really helped. So make sure you download the offline Korean language if you go there. But well, aside from all those things, one of the challenges, and I think that this is one of the things that it was very hard for us because it's very different, is the food.
That was a big adjustment with the food. Okay, what is that?
Me da la sensación como que es un insecto. Vamos a ver qué onda.
How was it?
Creo que es un insecto. Y el sabor es raro, no sé, amargo, pero salado. Es raro, no sé. Bueno, ordenamos una sopa de pollo que a mí me impresionó un toque el pollo. O sea, sí, el pollo. Vamos a ver qué onda. Siempre de entrada nos dan kimchi, que es bastante spicy, bastante picante. Pero bueno, tiene pinta la sopa, así que vamos a probar.
Con ginseng. What's ginseng in Spanish?
I don't know. What's that? Patunase. You wanna try? Thank you.
Let's try, thank you.
Okay, try.
Okay, let's try it. It's like a donut, but soft. It's really good. It's soft donut. But you need to try what's inside.
Esto es lo que sucede cuando pedís comida sin saber qué estás pidiendo y te viene una cosa gigante para dos que no sabes cómo vas a terminar. South Korea was amazing. This is a little bit of what South Korea was so far.
The important thing is to be open to experience. We had an adjustment period here in South Korea, but it was fun and it was worth it, and we really learned a lot.
We really hope our real experiences, our tips, our information, everything we share with you guys, you will find it useful and actually will encourage you to travel around the world and make a lot of fun memories out there.
And if you like our video and find it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your travels. See you next week.
Mapeando, una nueva manera de ver el mundo.